let us answer this question. Why should we not use too many things made up of plastics? Because if we use too many things made up of plastic, there is possibility later we throw them. When we throw them, they stay in the soil for a long duration of time. When they stay in the soil for a long duration of time, they cause soil pollution. The answer is, when we throw the plastic materials which is not required for us, they cause soil pollution. So that is the main reason we should not use too many things made up of plastic. After learning this chapter, we have come to know that we get materials for making different things from nature. So nature provides us raw materials to make other things. We get wood, rubber, paper and some fibers from plants. We get wood, we get rubber, we get paper and even some fibers from plants. We also get leather and some fibers like wool from animals. Example for an animal fiber is wool, remember that. Sand, clay, metals and petroleum, these are dug out from the earth. Sand, clay, metals and petroleum, these are the different materials that we get from the earth crust, top layer of the earth containing soil and rocks. So that will provide us sand, clay, metals and petroleum. By using this, many other materials which is required for us in our daily life can be manufactured or produced. Plastics take a very long time to rot. Rot means break down or decay it is called. It will take a long duration of time to break itself. So we should not use too many plastic things. If we use too many plastic things, suppose we don't dispose it properly. If we just throw it, it will retain on the soil for a long duration of time. It may cause soil pollution. So that is the main reason we shouldn't use the plastic materials more in quantity or number. Let us answer these exercise questions. A. Multiple choice questions. You know what are multiple choice questions are? A question will be given, 4 options will be given. A, B, C, D. You need to choose the right option out of these 4 and you can place a right mark towards the correct option. Let me start with the first question. We get a linen from A is sheep, B is flax, C is bamboo, D is petroleum. From sheep we get wool, from bamboo we get paper, petroleum we get plastic or petrol or diesel. It is a flax from which we get linen. Okay, linen is obtained from flax, F-L-A-X, flax. That should be written here. All these answers you're going to write in the textbook. Later, the image of these answers I'm going to forward to the WhatsApp group. Second question. Which of these materials do we get from animals? Wool, cotton, jute, linen. Here, cotton, jute and linen, these 3 are from plants. The material that we get from animal is wool. We get from sheep. Then, third question. We make glass from animals, plants, sand, petroleum. Animals will give us wool, plants will give us certain fibers, petroleum will give us plastic, petrol, diesel, etc. It is a sand which is used to produce glass. So, glass is obtained from sand, S-A-N-D, sand. Then, fourth question. Which of these is a metal? Copper, flax, timber, rubber. Rubber, timber and flax, these 3 are actually from plants. It is a copper which is a metal here, copper. Then, which of these things is not made from materials dug out from the earth? There are 4 options: petrol, plastic, diesel, linen. The question is asked, which of these things is not made from material dug out from the earth? From the earth we get some material, from that which of these material is not made? Okay, petrol, plastic and diesel, it is obtained from petroleum. From where we get petroleum? From the earth itself. We dig the earth and we take petroleum. So these 3 materials is not the correct answer. It is linen, because linen is the material that we don't get from the things that we obtain from earth or earth crust. Linen is obtained from plant. Which plant do you know? Flax. Whereas petrol, plastic and diesel we get from petroleum, which we take by digging the earth. Whereas linen we get directly from flax plant. From its fiber we make linen. Okay, that is not obtained from the earth. Okay, it is obtained from plant, not by digging the earth. Remember that. So the correct answer here is linen. L-I-N-E-N. Now B. Where do we get these materials from? Where do we get? So you need to mention whether it is from animals, whether it is from plants, or whether it is from earth. Okay, first is rubber. Rubber is from plant. Second one is cotton. Cotton is from plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Even these answer also should be written in the textbook itself in these blank spaces. Rubber is from plants. Cotton is also from plants. Leather is from animals. From sheep we get sheep, as well as some other animals also we get leather. Snake leather also they use. Sheep mainly we get wool. Don't get confused. From other animals we get leather. Even from cattle leather also they use. From cattle also we get leather. Then glass. Glass is actually from earth. Glass is obtained from silica or sand. Sand is obtained from earth. So glass is from earth. Then petrol. Petrol is also from earth, because petrol we get from petroleum, so which we obtain when we dig the earth. Then plastic. Plastic is also from earth. That is because plastic is obtained from petroleum. How we get petroleum? Petroleum we get when we dig the earth. Okay. So here rubber is plant, cotton is plant, leather is animal, glass is earth, petrol is earth, plastic is earth. Earth spelling is E-A-R-T-H. Plant spelling is P-L-A-N-T. Animal spelling is A-N-I-M-A-L. See, what materials are these things made from? You need to write here, it is made from which material. Okay, here there are blank spaces given. So in the pencil you are supposed to write. Question number 1. Chair. Chair is from wood. Okay, W-O-O-D, wood. So this chair is made from wood, W-O-O-D. Second one. So you can see glass bottles here. It is made from glass, G-L-A-S-S. These bottles are made from glass, G-L-A-S-S. Then here you can see spoons as well as knives. These are made from metal, M-E-T-A-L. These are all made from metal, M-E-T-A-L. Then you can see tire here. This tire is made from rubber, R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. Okay, these answers should be written in these blank spaces again in the textbook itself. Then here you can see pot. It is made from clay, C-L-A-Y, clay. Then here you can see a cap. It is made from wool, W-O-O-L, wool. D. Answer the following questions. These answers I'll be forwarding to the WhatsApp group, and these answers, especially D, so this should be written in your notebook, science notebook, with the help of pencil. After writing the answer for each question, you need to leave one line space. Then you need to start with the other question. You should write the question as well as answer. Okay, let me try to answer. First question. Where do we get paper from? We get paper from plants. So which plants we get paper from? One is bamboo, B-A-M-B-O-O. Other one is pine tree. From bamboo and pine tree we get paper. Here is that answer. Okay, from bamboo and pine trees we get paper. Next question. Name 3 materials from which cloths are made. These are the 3 materials from which cloths are made. One is cotton fibers from cotton plant. Other one is jute fibers from jute plant. Cotton fibers, then jute or jute fibers from jute plant. Other one is flax fibers. Fibers from the flax plant it is given. So flax fibers. So that is used to make linen cloth. So these are the 3 materials that is mainly used to make cloth. Cotton fibers, jute fiber, flax fibers. Third question. Name the 2 things made from plastics. There are many things that can be made from plastic. You can see here. Plastic toys, plastic straws, plastic chair, All these are actually few examples. You can also write the example which you know. The things that is made from plastic. Higher order thinking skills. Even the answers for these questions also I'll be forwarding in the WhatsApp group. Okay, you need to write these questions as well as answer in your science notebook. Okay, first question. Can we make cloths with paper? Why or why not? Whether we can make cloths with paper? Yes, definitely we can make cloths with paper, but it is not durable. The cloths made from paper, it is not durable. Paper will lose strength whenever it becomes wet. So that is the main reason it is not durable. So we cannot make, we can make cloths with paper, but it is not durable. That is the reason we are not using the cloths made from paper. Whenever it gets wet, it will lose its strength. It will tear. That is the reason. Second question. Why do we usually not use rubber to make chair and table? Usually we see we have metal chair, metal table, even wooden table, wooden chair and all. But can we use rubber? Yes, we can use rubber to make chair and table. But the rubber, as it is soft and even it will stretch. The table or chair made from rubber, it can't be used like how we use the chair or a table that is made from wood. Rubber is soft and it will stretch also. So that is the reason rubber chair as well as table, though we can make chair and table from rubber, it cannot be used compared to how we use wooden or metal chair and table. That is the main reason. So rubber, though we can make the chair and table with rubber, it cannot be usually it is not used. Okay, we mainly use wooden chair as well as metal chair or table. The reason is it is hard and strong, whereas rubber, it is soft, it will stretch a bit. So that is the reason regularly we don't use rubber chair or table.